Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the flip over method with this straight wig. Is from Taoma. So it came in, I think, yeah, 3 bundles, and they have different lengths. They have 18, they have the 20, the 18, and then the 16. But then I'm going to be starting with the 20" because I like my hair to have all those layers. So I'm going to be finishing with the 16. So yeah, it's best. I just love that method. So you can do it, you can start with whichever one that you want. So I've already gone ahead to place my wig cap on the mannequin head, and I have a waterproof underneath it because I don't want the mannequin head to get messy after the whole process, because I'm going to be using the bonding glue to do this method. So I actually use the bonding glue anytime. I don't want to use that particular hair for a very long time. So it all depends on your preference. If you want to use the hair for a very long time, you can go ahead to use the sew down method, but I'm going to be using the bonding glue method today. So just do whatever works for you. So I also have something like this on my channel, but I use the coily wig to do the same wig, so you can also check that out if this one is not very clear for you, or if you really want to see how I do the sew down method, the flip over method with the sew down method. What am I saying? I mean, if you want to see the same method with a coily wig, is up on my channel. So I'm going to keep laying my tracks until a defined U shape is formed, and that's usually at the temples. Okay, I'm going to be going back and forth. This is where the flip over method starts. So I'm going to be going back and forth until I get to the very end of the wig cap. Then I'm going to be sewing away from the face. Did I just say sewing? I'm so used to sewing my wig. So I'm going to be gluing down the hair, the tracks away from the face, up until when I get to the very end. So I'm supposed to be doing the flip over method, like just be laying the tracks up until when I get to the last part. But for some reason I decided not to do that. I started fixing it and placing it from the sides. So just watch and see what I did. So and just follow what I did to do your own. And if from this method of mine, maybe you get your own inspiration and you're able to do or end it the way you want it, then good. So I'm just laying tracks from the side just to make sure that the front is very full and has a very good coverage. So I'm going to continue that until there is no more space to lay any tracks. Okay, this is the end of the wig, so you're going to use your hair to cover this wig after wearing it. So my sister is going to be modeling it. Like I said, she's not the best person to wear it because she's very bald at the beginning of her hair, so she's really not the best person to wear it, and I can't also wear it because I'm also on low cut right now. So there's nobody to wear this wig for me, for the beauty to come out very well. Like when you use your hair to cover it, you see that beauty as if it's your real hair. But I'm just going to manage my sister. She's going to rock, she's just going to wear it that way. But you get the idea of what I'm trying to say, Sha. The idea is just to show you how to make this very wig. What I'm doing now is cutting off the excess wig cap that is still showing out.